In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate rank in Microsoft Excel. To follow along, make sure you already have your scores entered in column B, starting with the first score in cell B2. In this example, the scores are in cells B2 through B4, and we are going to place the rank results in column C. The goal is to have Excel compare each score against the full score list, then return the correct rank number automatically. Begin by clicking cell C2, which should be directly next to your first score. This is where the first rank result will appear. Selecting the cell first tells Excel exactly where you want the formula output to go. It also keeps your worksheet organized because the score and its matching rank will be side by side on the same row. Now you are ready to enter the ranking formula. Type equals rank.eq, open parenthesis, B2, comma space, B $2 B $4, comma space, 0, close parenthesis. The full formula should look like this, equals rank, EQ, open parenthesis, B2, comma B $2 B $4, comma 0, close parenthesis. This formula tells Excel three important things. First, B2 is the score you want to rank. Second, B $2 through B $4 is the full list of scores that Excel should compare against. The dollar signs lock the row numbers in place, so when you copy the formula down later, the comparison range stays the same. Third, the 0 at the end tells Excel to rank from highest to lowest. That means the largest score will receive rank number 1. Once the formula has been typed correctly, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will calculate the formula and display the first rank number in cell C2. At this point, you should see a number appear next to your first score. This number represents where that score stands compared with the other scores in the selected range. Next, click cell C2 again. This is important because we are going to use the formula that is already in that cell and copy it down the rest of the rank column. By selecting C2 again, you are preparing Excel to reuse the same formula pattern for the remaining rows. Move your mouse to the bottom right corner of cell C2. Look carefully at the small corner of the selected cell. When your pointer is in the correct position, it will change into a black plus sign. This black plus sign is called the fill handle, and it is one of the quickest ways to copy formulas in Excel. When you see the black plus sign, double-click it. Excel will automatically fill the formula down column C for the remaining rows next to your score data. This is often called flash filling or auto-filling the formula, and it saves you from typing the same formula manually in each cell. After the formula fills down, each score should now have a rank beside it in column C. Because the formula uses the locked range B $2 through B $4, every row is ranked against the same score list. The cell reference for the individual score changes as the formula moves down, but the comparison range remains fixed. You have now calculated the rank for your scores in Microsoft Excel using the rank.eq function. This method is useful whenever you need to quickly compare values, such as scores, results, totals, or performance numbers, and place them in order from highest to lowest. And that is all there is to it.